What are you doing?
I'm making rain go away. Rain go away.
Beatrice, you need an umbrella.
Awesome.
Let me cover your head. Here you go. And your shoes. Where are your shoes? Beatrice, it's raining. Your feet are all wet. Let me see if I can find your shoes. Beatrice, I can't find your shoes. Beatrice, let's go inside and clean you up, okay? Let's go get your shoes.
I want rain.
Beatrice, come on, let's go. You're gonna get sick. You can't be out here without shoes.
Okay.
All right, come on, let's get you cleaned up. Hey, I'll give you some hot cocoa.
Okay.